What's up, guys? It is Sierra Keon MUA here, showing you guys the DIY of how I did this photo shoot prompt. So first I took a regular picture frame and I'm just kind of going around the sides to get that hard staple, trying to bend that back with the screwdriver, and y'all gonna see I broke my nail, but ignore that. So basically I am just flipping the sides over so I can take the mirror out, because this is an old picture frame. We've been having this picture frame for about more than 10 years and it collected dust and everything like that. So basically I'm just just flipping it up, trying to get the mirror out. Y'all just watch the video and ignore the fact that I broke my nail and the mirror broke in the process. So as you guys can see, now that I took the mirror out, I am just simply going to sanitize my hand, because this damn thing is dry and it's extremely old. It's dusty, it's rusty, whatever. So I am just going to take a dry towel and wipe the frame, wipe all the dust off before I go in with my paint and spray paint it. Now, as you guys can see, this frame is black, so I decided to go in with a white spray paint, and it was actually 97 cents. I got all of the product from Walmart. I have everything in the description bar below. I should have included a picture at the first part, but you guys are going to see everything that I used. So I'm just going in and wiping it off. Not wiping it off, y'all. It is 5 in the morning my time. This coronavirus stuff is just sitting in the house, quarantining and creating. So now that I zoomed out, y'all can see that I'm spray painting it. I put at least 2 to 3 layers of white paint over it, just spray painting the inside, around the outer perimeter of it, and the inner perimeter of it, making sure that nothing is left black, not even a tiny bit of piece of black, nothing. Spray painted the whole entire thing white. I actually bought 2 cans of white paint, but unfortunately the white paint only took me 1 spray can for this, and so I was indecisive on what color I wanted to put on top of that, but it was either rose gold or the metallic gold. And I will actually show you guys in another video of how I actually spray painted it. Just to let you guys know, I have a heater and the AC is on extremely full blast in here, and of course I had my heater on the white paint. It takes a bit of a minute to dry, but the metallic gold paint and the rose gold paint, it was about $4 after tax at Walmart. Those are actually quick dry, and it has a flawless finish to it. So it took at least about 4.5 hours to let this white dry. Show you guys the frame being white. Next I'm going to show you guys so this is a quick tutorial on how I achieve this photo prompt for mini photo shoot that I'm doing, guys. I am a makeup artist, so I like to get creative when I'm bored at about 5-6 in the morning. So if you guys want to see how I use this frame, be sure to follow me on Instagram at Sierra Kian MUA. Make sure y'all leave a like and comment below, and let me know what you guys want to see me DIY next. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure y'all subscribe, and